Today we're memorizing Philippians 4:13. We're also going to talk about ways different people misunderstand what this text means. Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Root.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus. This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through him who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Some people take this verse to mean that they can be like Superman. I can do anything and God will strengthen me. Woo! Anything! Like Superman. Well, we got to remember things like what Jesus said in the temptations of Jesus. Do you remember how that worked? In one of those temptations, then the devil took him to the holy city and set him on the pinnacle of the temple and said to him, "If you are the Son of God, throw yourself down, for it is written, he will command his angels concerning you, and on their hands they will bear you up, lest you strike your foot against a stone." Sounds like Superman, huh? But Jesus said to him, "Again it is written, you shall not put the Lord your God to the test." See, the key is we have to look at the context, what comes before and after Philippians 4:13 to understand what it says and what it means. So here's what the verses before it say, picking up in the middle of verse 11. "For I have learned in whatever situation I am to be content. I know how to be brought low, to not have a lot of money or food, and I know how to abound with a lot of money and food. In any and every circumstance, I have learned the secret of facing plenty and hunger, abundance and need. I can do all things through him who strengthens me." Philippians 4:13. Content means to be satisfied and pleased, to be able to say it is enough no matter what our circumstances, because of Christ. Because of Christ, we can say it is enough, whether other people might say so or not, whether we have a lot of food or not a lot of food, a lot of money or not a lot of money. It doesn't matter. We can be content because of Christ. Not just that, but we can be content, confident, and strong because of Christ. God gives us everything we need to live for him. That is why we can say, I can do all things through him who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.